Hey guys, this is Chris and welcome to your Business Bud. On this video, I'm going to share with you the second millionaire productivity secret that you must do to make sure that you're going to be earning your income goal in the soonest possible time. And if this is your first time on this channel and you're interested in learning strategies and tips to help you make more money online, consider subscribing and hitting that bell icon because together we can. On my last video, I shared to you the first millionaire productivity secret, and that is ROTI, or Return on Time Invested. On that video, you discovered the magic number in line with your annual income goal that you need to be thinking whenever you're doing something. If you haven't watched that video, I highly recommend it. Click on the upper right notification, and I'll also leave the link on the description below. The second millionaire productivity secret is avoid low-income activities, or ALIA. We are doing a lot of low-income activities or work. On the first productivity secret, we determined that if you want to earn $100,000 in a year, your time needs to be worth $170 an hour. Now, if you have a job that you only earn, say, a few bucks per hour, which is nowhere near the $170 goal, I'm not saying you quit right away when that is your main source of income. No. What you want to do is, on your spare time, you want to work on something that has a much higher potential of earning you $170 an hour or more over time. But if you can afford quitting on your low-income work so you can focus on building your business, then do it. On this video, I'm going to be talking about those low-income activities that you're doing, especially on your spare time, that you may not be aware of, so you can avoid doing it and focus on the things that can give you a great results. There are a lot of low-income activities like mowing the lawn, washing your car, fixing the car, doing laundry, driving Uber, admin tasks, plumbing, flipping burgers, computer repair, maintenance work, arranging files, and so on. When you realize that you're doing a lot of low-income stuff that is not helping you reach your income goal fast, you've got to do something about it. You must eliminate the need for you doing the activities that do not match up with the value of your time. You cannot make $100,000 with a low-income habit. How can you earn $170 per hour when you're stuck in doing, say, $10 or $15 per hour work? Then at the end of the year, you're wondering, well, how come I'm not making the amount of money I want to earn? Look at how you invest your time. If every single day you spend 5 hours or 6 hours doing low-income work, you're never going to reach $100,000. It is a direct correlation. You might say, I just need to hustle on the things I'm doing. How does hustling increase your earning ability? Well, think about it. When you hustle and still doing 10 to 20 bucks an hour activities, it is the same thing. You are still not earning enough per hour to reach $100,000 or whatever your annual income goal is. That is not something you can solve just by hustling. It's not enough to hustle. You need to figure out how you can increase that income by 7, 8, or 10 times. And when you do, then that is the right time to hustle. Are you with me so far? Now, don't get me wrong. If it's something you enjoy and love doing, even if it's a low-income activity, like some people, they love gardening. When they do it, it helps them relax. They love landscaping, mowing the lawn. If that is the case, then by all means, do it. But if you're just doing it to save money, then that is a different thing. No matter how hard you try to pretend you love doing it, but deep inside you're like, what the heck? Why am I doing this? Why am I trying to fix my goddamn car? I'm wasting so much time watching this video tutorial on how to change spark plugs on my car. This is not fun at all. Right? You get what I'm saying? So think about it. You will never be a high income earner if you keep doing low income activities that you don't love. A lot of these tasks, these activities of having to do it ourselves, a lot of times we learn it from our parents and relatives, right? They're like, you should wash your own car yourself. Consider that your quality time with your car. Don't let others wash it because they might scratch the paint. Have you heard them say that to you? Do your own taxes, mow your own lawn, fix your own car. It's an honorable thing to do. This is the way we are brought up. Like I said, if you enjoy doing some activity, even if it's a low income, you go ahead and do it, provided that you keep your true hourly rate in mind. Do you do them because you like doing them, or do you do them because you've been conditioned? It's because it's what your parents told you since you were 5 years old. Now, you may be thinking, but Chris, I don't have extra money right now. I cannot afford for someone to fix my car or for someone to fix the plumbing issue on my house. You cannot afford them because you don't delegate. It's not like when I'm rich, then I can delegate. No, that is the poor person's mentality. It should be the other way around. It's because I delegate, that is why I'm gonna be rich. Even when you don't have money, you should know the value of your time. Like Albert Einstein and other very successful people did. You just focus on the small things that you're very good at, which produces results. Everything else, you delegate. You might think, I'll need to make more money first, then that is the time I can delegate. No, that's not gonna happen when you're stuck with doing low income work. If you're not delegating now, you will not delegate in the future. You know that is the truth because you've been stuck in doing those things for quite a while now. For years, you've been doing that. You need to change fundamentally how you view your time and the habits that you have. I'm not saying you do this overnight like, okay, starting tomorrow, I'm gonna stop doing those activities, those work, and delegate it all. No, just start with one. Again, you delegate those activities first. That is the time you would be free to hit your magic number, your income goal. Think about 1 or 2 things you've been doing that you hate and you feel it's a huge waste of your time. It could be, say, video editing. Then start with that one thing first. Look for someone who loves to do that. Start within your family or friends. You don't have to pay them so much, or maybe you don't have to pay them at all. You can be more creative, like negotiate with doing things for them that you love and they don't. Say they don't like playing with words to create a good copy for an ad and you happen to love doing that. Then offer to create an ad copy for them in exchange. You might have an idea already, so you can do that easily. Plus, it'll help you develop your copywriting skills so you can reach a point where you can charge hundreds or thousands of dollars writing a copy for someone or for some companies, because a lot of people are willing to pay huge money for a good copywriter. When it comes to your job, when you talk about work, the word work all of a sudden divides people into 2 groups. The first group is the group of people who hates work but loves salaries or compensation. Do you know anybody who is like that? These people loves getting paid but hate the work connected to it. These are the people who love and cannot wait for TGIP, or thank God it's payday. But the other group of people are the people who love their work, like work is a blessing. Like when they do these things, they are on their element. I'll give you a perfect example. Let's say there are two teachers who have the same job, teaching the same grade levels, teaching the same subject, and practically doing the same thing. But when you ask them both the same question, what do you do for a living? One teacher would say, oh, I teach children history, that's all I do. But the other one would say, oh, I'm shaping the minds of the future great leaders of the next generation that will change the world. That is the difference. So, the question is, how do you see your work? Do you see it as a burden, or do you see it as a way of blessing a lot of people, giving a lot of value, then eventually earning huge amount of money doing it? Do you see the purpose, or do you only feel the pain? And most importantly, you have to realize that there are seasons for our income. Like in farming, we thought there are only two seasons, the planting and the harvesting. But there are actually three. We have the planting, we have the harvesting, and in between, we have this long season, the boring season called the growing season. Most of us think that success is found on the harvest season. Success is not found during the harvesting nor the planting season. Success is found in the growing season. So list down all the stuff you've been doing every day and figure out which activities has a potential to give you your hourly rate goal, say $170 per hour. Then focus on those things and start delegating the rest one by one. I will share more millionaire productivity secrets to you on my next video, so make sure to subscribe to this channel and hit the bell icon so you'll know when they are ready. And if you find this video helpful, give it a little thumbs up and share your thoughts on the comment section down below. Until then, thank you for watching, and I see you on the next video. Bye for now.